just acquired this Nissan Qashqai diesel. It's the Tecna model. It's got lovely diamond cut alloy wheels, rear privacy sun protection glass to the rear. It's in lovely condition. As you can see, it's got the rear park distance control. Lovely condition to the rear. It has the load cover. It's been well looked after inside as well. Electric windows, electric mirrors, parafold mirrors, cruise control, lane assist, just up, multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, reverse camera, air conditioning, climate control. It's done 102,001 miles. 6-speed gearbox. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including warranty, finance and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.